Problem set 1, example number 7. In figure, point D is between point AC, point E is between point B and C. Segment DE parallel side AB. If AD is equal to 5, DC is equal to 3, BC is equal to 6.4, then find BE. In triangle ABC, segment DE is parallel to the side AB. Here is AD is given 5, CD is given 3, and suppose BE is equal to X, then total BC minus BE, that is EC, is equal to 6.4 minus X. We have to find the value of X, that is value of segment BE. Suppose B is equal to X, then BC is equal to BE plus CE because between S. Hence, EC is equal to BC minus BE. Hence, EC is equal to 6.4 minus X. In triangle ABC, segment DE is parallel to the side AB. Hence, by BPT theorem, we can write here AD upon CD is equal to BE upon CE. From BPT, we have write here AD upon CD is equal to BE upon CE. Substitute the value. AD is 5, CD is 3. Hence, left hand side 5 upon 3. In right hand side, B is X and C is 6.4 minus X. Cross multiplication, 5 into 6.4 minus X, that will be 32 minus 5x, and 3 into x to the right hand side 3x. Then 8x is equal to 32. Hence x is equal to 4. Thus we have find here BE is equal to 4. Example number 12. In figure, XY parallel segment AC. If twice AX is equal to 3 times BX and XY is equal to 9, complete the activity to find the value of AC. In this figure, in triangle ABC, segment XY is parallel to the side AC, and we have to complete this activity. We have given 2AX is equal to 3BX. In next steps, we have given left hand side AX upon BX. Hence in bracket 3 upon 2, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. In next step, in numerator denominator is adding. That is our properties we called as componendo. Hence x plus bx upon bx is equal to, in right hand, 3 by 2, that means 3 plus 2 upon 2. In first bracket 3 and second bracket 2, and in denominator is in this bracket 2. Ax plus bx is nothing but ab, because we have given x is between a and b, hence ab upon bx. Before step 3 plus 2, in numerator that will be 5, hence in right hand numerator in this box 5 and denominator is 2, hence 5 upon 2. In triangle BCA is similar triangle BYX, because here is a XY is parallel to the AC. Suppose AB is a transversal. In first case, angle X and angle A will be congruent. In second step, BC is a transversal. Then Y angle and angle C are congruent. Hence here in box we can write here AA test. By AA test, two triangle are similar, hence AB upon BX is equal to AC upon XY. The reason given corresponding side of similar triangle. We have already find the ratio of AB upon BX is nothing but 5 upon 2 is equal to AC. The value of XY is given 9. Hence, here is cross multiplication 5 into 9 upon 2, that is 45 upon 2, that is 22.5. Hence, in this last box, the value is 22.5 from 1.